Hello everyone, it is Strict Bean and Snowyhollow.
Snowyhollow AJ. We're gonna do a collab, my first collab, yay!
Yes, and she will have a video of this collab on her channel, so go check that out and subscribe to her. Shout out to Snowyhollow AJ.
And shout out to Strict Beans.
Oh.
So we're gonna do this challenge of recreating masterpieces, and you guys get to vote down in the comment section of who did the best masterpiece. So let's head over to the masterpiece gallery.
Yes. Everyone, let's go to Jamal Township to go get to the masterpiece gallery.
Yeah, I just paused. Oh no, room's full. I can't follow you.
It's okay. I'll go to the gallery first.
I followed you.
Okay, yes. There's someone doing a Wirecast RP, and I really want to go, but I'm doing a collab right now.
Oh, that's how you get there. I was just following you.
Okay. What we are going to be doing, we already checked it out, but we wanted to look at it again. It's way up here. I'm leaving you. Happy face. Room.
Okay, guys, so we already looked here while we were preparing our collab thingy. So we already chosen
a thing to draw.
And I am going to do this human sticking out her tongue by Lacra. So I need to take a picture of it.
So this is her picture, but the one by Lacra. And then I will be doing, for my channel, I will be doing, oh my gosh, work. I will be doing an Apari, like this.
Yeah, she's going to be doing an Apari, and I'm going to screenshot this so I can remember it and start to read.
I can't even screenshot, so I just gotta remember this, boy.
Okay. I paused it so then my kids.
Alright, I'm gonna head over to the thing. Luckily, I have a touch screen, so it will be easier to draw.
Okay, so...
First of all, it's black background. Then, now I have to draw some snazzy shoes.
I have to, head over to my den so then I can, get to the...
Oh my god, it looks like a bunny. Oh, actually, this is turning out pretty well.
Okay, I have to, head to my den, too, actually.
And now I just need to do this, to get that, design in. And then I gotta, do the laces.
Show what you're doing.
This is, so freaking bad. Okay, and then he goes, now I just got to thin this down.
You're actually at 3 minutes. I'm only at 1.
Oh! Yeah, I started 2 minutes before you. I never knew that. He goes...
No, you didn't. We started at the same time, but, I paused it, and then I unpaused it while I got there.
What are those? I can't write. I'm writing in cursive! So, I have to do cursive all the time. So, now because my teacher, so don't blame me, you guys. Oh, this is so freaking beautiful. I'm not joking. This is very beautiful.
I hate it when my thing glitches out.
Same. It may look like I'm not even drawing, but it does draw for me. Gotta do that nose. And then gotta do This is so freaking ugly.
No, mine is.
I can't even look at yours right now. We should look at hers, everyone. Well, oh yeah, she doesn't have her thing on because it's...
Yeah, it didn't let me do it.
Her eyes.
One thing they need to add to the animal jam... Oh my gosh, paint is like an eraser. Oh no.
I know. Mind if the whole picture's not even gonna show in the thing that I chose it to? So, yeah, I will just probably, show it later. Or maybe even on your channel, so... Oh my gosh, that's ruined.
room.
That scared the crap out of me. That scared the holy cow out of me.
Sorry.
You're so
Oh my
mean.
gosh, mine looks horrible. Oh my
No! Compared to mine, yours are pretty good, I'm pretty sure.
Oh no, I did the ton.
I gotta get darker red.
Oh my gosh.
Broom.
Vroom, vroom, and zoom.
Oh wait, I gotta get his beard, guys. I gotta get his beard. Ugh.
Mine's gonna take so long, so I'm not even gonna put any effort into it.
Alright.
What happened?
Oh no! No! It's probably gonna ruin my whole picture. Oh god. Oh, yay!
Yes. I actually like the orange better.
And then beep.
Mine is pretty horrible. I wish you could look at mine. But, like, it's horrible. It's
Oof.
so hard to
This is so freaking ugly. I'm
Mine
gonna
is
cry.
more uglier. Mine is more ugly. Trust me.
It's sad.
No, it's so sad.
Oh god, no.
Oh no.
Gotta get those real heart eyes, boy.
You're at 6 minutes. I'm only at 3.
I do have a limit, so I gotta hurry, so. Oh my freaking gosh. Roop.
My sisters are begging me.
Yep,
to put on a
yep,
movie.
yep.
I'm not even-
Wait, what are they asking you?
They're begging me to put on a movie. Mine is very
No, she's too busy right now, children.
Oh my gosh, this thing.
Did she hear me?
Yeah, she heard you.
Oh god, no.
What do the eyes look like again?
Oof! Oof!
Okay, this girl had like.
Oh, yay! I get to show it. I got it. Oh, I just had to move it.
Oh my gosh, mine looks so horrible.
Mine actually looks pretty snazzy, no offense. I need to fix those big hard eyes. Oh, yeah, boy. What are those?
My grandma's friend keeps texting and it appears on the screen.
Rip.
Private.
I'm putting in some details I didn't do.
Actually, I think mine is turning out pretty good.
Ah! Does he even see mine? Try me.
I need to do the ends of my.
It's almost my freaking limit time. I only have 15 minutes.
I'm only at 3. Oh, yours looks snazzy.
I'm just adding in details they didn't. Okay, guys, this is my beautiful. I don't have any freaking. Okay, guys, this is mine. Turn and look because I'm freaking done. It says, what are those?
Okay, guys, this is strip beans, and mine is not finished. I just need to finish it quickly.
I'm gonna add in some bigger hearts. Bing.
Bing bong bing.
Bing. Bong. Bing. Bong.
All I have to do is her chin, and then I have to cover it. And I know
Oh boy. Get on me a level.
Oh my gosh, mine. Oh my gosh. Don't even want to look at mine.
What?
Oh, I have to put little bubbles in.
Get around there. Get around the fire.
I'm actually very proud of my thing.
I'm prouder to mine than yours, grr.
Yeah, because you don't even know what my thing looks like.
Ugh. So,
Okay.
did you guys hear that? That was thunder. If you did, it was like.
Okay, I just need to do her.
Okay, guys, this is mine. I'm gonna give you a full preview. Weep. So there's mine, you guys. And now I'm going to send it to Animal Jam. Broom.
Oh, no, I just did. Oh, okay, good. Alright.
Honestly, this was so beautiful. Okay, you guys. We're going to do, like, another collab tonight, probably, because this is actually really fun.
I have to go to bed.
But, yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm just going to wait till she's done so I can end the video.
Yeah.
But you better not take 15 minutes, because I'm at 10 minutes right now.
Yeah, just pause it.
Okay, well, guys, I'm going to pause it until she gets here, so I'll be right back. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and join the beans in the can. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And say goodbye.
Bye, Snowyhollow wins. Make sure to
Probably.
like and subscribe like you said. Yeah.
Alright, well, comment down below to see whose wins. But make sure you watch her video first because I couldn't see her masterpiece. It's kind of like a challenge.
Watch? Oh my gosh.
So, we'll see you guys later. Bye!